Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Luvmehair. So thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. And excuse my voice, you guys, I'm a little under the weather, but you know, I still have to give y'all this amazing wig install. So stay tuned and keep watching so you guys can see how I got this look from start to finish. Okay, you guys, so this is Luvmehair's Glueless Kinky Curly Honey Blonde Highlight Closure Wig, and this wig does come with an adjustable strap, and this is a closure as well. And also I want to mention that the cap on this wig is breathable also, so just to point that out to you guys. So let's get to this install. So I will be tinting my lace with this lace tint spray, and I will just be adding a little bit of powder on it with my brush, not too much, and also just to let the lace tint spray set in a little bit. Now this wig is straight out of the box, you guys. I did not bleach this wig, nothing, straight out of the box. And I also just want to show you guys the back of the wig, the adjustable strap, and how to put that on as well. Depending on your head size, you can just tighten it or loosen it however you want it to fit, so that is a plus. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up this lace with my razor. And like I said, you guys, this wig install is going to be real simple. 1 2 3, it's one of their wear and go units, so you do not have to do too much. You can literally just wear this right out of the box. Just do your parting real quick with the hot comb and the wax stick, and you're really good to go. You guys gonna see later on in this video, I did want more of the full look with this wig, but if you also want like the wet look or however you want to call it, you can just add more product to it. But what I really like about this wig is the color. I just love me a honey blonde colored wig. I think it really makes the wig stand out. And also with the texture of this wig, I really love how the curls are really defined, and it just looked really good, honestly. So I just went ahead and added some more makeup powder on my lace just to blend this in, because we are not using any lace glues and no spray. So I really want this to look like really seamless and like it's growing from my scalp. But that's what any of my wig installs, you know, like I really want that natural look. And I was really happy with this wig because all I had to do was really just put makeup on the lace and then blend it in really good. I'm just gonna use some water, and I'm just going to use my Lotta Body mousse. And like I just said previously, I really wanted the big wet, not the big wet look, but I wanted this wig to still be like fluffy and full and voluminous. Like I said, if you want the wet look, defined curls look, you can always just wet the hair completely and use some mousse or curl enhancing products and literally just finger coil, blow dry it with your blow dryer, and you can really get like that full defined look. But I really wanted like the voluminous dry look, you know, and I feel like this wig will look good in both states, honestly. And I just love how full this wig was. It was so full and it was just so pretty, especially with the colors. It just all just came together. So once again, thank you so much Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, you already know I will have all the information in my description box down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.